Hi there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Daniel Patterson. This is everything that's going on in your neighbourhood for the month of February. Well, all of our core markets have had a tremendous amount of trade. Essentially what we're in is what we call a perfect storm. The reason for this is there's a low level of inventory available, but we've got a buyer pool that's mainly motivated and fueled by low interest rates. So therefore what we've essentially got is the economics are way out of scale in the sense of very little options available, but a very big buyer pool looking to try and get into those options. So let's see how your neighbourhood actually performed over the month of February. So let's have a look at Drummoyne first. Well, Drummoyne still had tremendous volume of sales, even though there was a low inventory or stock available to that buyer pool. We had 15 sales transact, and the highest sale price was $2,675,000, which was 501 Stewart Crescent, which was a 4-bedroom apartment with a rooftop deck. However, this building didn't have a lift and was still a 1-story walk-up, so that price itself was quite remarkable. All right, now let's have a look at 2046. Now 2046 was quite remarkable. 2046 had 46 properties trade in that area. And what we also saw was some really good sales in terms of a number of homes actually getting well above what the agent was guiding. But most importantly, the highest sale price there was actually a block of 8 units, which was 85 to 87 Regatta Road in Canada Bay. Now this property itself actually was on the market last year with a failed auction, stayed on the market with private treaty, and then traded this year for 6.3 million, which was quite remarkable. All right, last but not least, let's have a look at 2137. Now 2137 had a tremendous volume of sales, just like 2046. There was 43 properties that transacted there. Now this area itself was actually on the radar for a lot of buyers that we're also meeting in the Drummoyne and surrounding areas. Now the highest sale price there was actually $4 million by number 7 Links Avenue over at Concord. Now this was a remarkable, well-built modern home. The guide initially was around about $3 million, however at competition under auction conditions, traded at $4 million, which was well above what we will call a premium. Right, so what does all this mean for us moving forward into March and also leading into Easter? Well, what we're essentially seeing is we've got a frustration out there. What that means is there's not really enough property available for sale for the number of people looking to buy into our areas or even trading up or down. So if you are considering making a move, the climate itself is definitely well in favour for sellers. Me and my team here would love to obviously have a chat with you. Thanks very much for joining us. Bye for now. Look forward to catching up with you and wrapping up on how March went.